Eggplant. The term eggplant refers to a vegetable that is commonly used in cooking and is known for its distinctive purple color and oblong shape. In some countries, it is also known as aubergine. The word eggplant is derived from the fact that some varieties of this vegetable have a shape and size similar to that of an egg. Here are a few examples of how eggplant can be used in sentences. 1. I bought some fresh eggplants from the market to make a delicious vegetarian lasagna. In this example, eggplants refers to the vegetable itself, indicating that the speaker purchased some of them. 2. The chef prepared a mouth-watering dish of grilled eggplant with a tangy tomato sauce. Here, eggplant is used as an ingredient in a recipe, highlighting its use in cooking. 3. My sister doesn't like the taste of eggplant, but I find it quite delicious. In this sentence, eggplant is used to describe the taste preference of the speaker and their sister. 4. The purple color of the eggplant adds a vibrant touch to the vegetable medley. In this case, eggplant is used to describe the color of the vegetable and how it contributes to the appearance of a dish. Overall, eggplant is a versatile term that refers to both the vegetable itself and its various culinary uses.